Well, now both the TRS and the DMK seem to be leaning towards the BJP. So in this open election season, what does the hunt for allies look like? Let's at least show our viewers, take a quick look at especially where the BJP stands in its hunt for allies. The LJP already aligned with them, and that will clearly help the NDA in getting more allies on board. To take a quick look, this is what the NDA tree looks like currently. On board are BJP, of course, the Shiv Sena, Akali Dal right there, the recent joinee LJP, which happened last night, Haryana Janhit Congress, and Maharashtra Adi Gomantak Party, National People's Party, Nagaland People's Front, RPI, RLSP, Swabhiman Shetkari Sangathan, and more parties also slowly but surely making overtures towards the BJP, which the party leadership attributes to nothing more but the Modi effect. Now, these are the parties which is at least in public seem to be softening their stand towards the BJP. One of them primarily came today, which was the DMK. The other, the TRS, the TDP, DMDK, INLD and the AGP. So clearly in the hunt for allies, it does look that the NDA seems at a better footing at this juncture than the UP. And let's get in a word from our National Affairs editor, Javed Ansari, who's standing by taking us through all the permutations, combinations. Javed, it's often said that there are no permanent friends and foes in politics. Classic example was of the LJP-BJP merger. But if you're going to holistically look at it and assess the situation, it does seem that BJP today seems a more ally-friendly party in terms of the current political dynamics than the UPA.
You're absolutely spot on, Preeti. One of the questions that was repeatedly raised when Mr. Narendra Modi's name was first declared as the BJP's prime ministerial candidate was whether he'll be acceptable to allies, whether the BJP with Mr. Modi at its head, would it be able to win over more allies. Now, as time has passed and he's built up steam and gathered momentum, that untouchability factor is slowly but surely vanishing. It's being done away. Who could have thought that Ram Vilas Paswan, who made a big deal out of the fact, or who would have had the world believe that actually he was the first person to sacrifice his chair, his ministership in Mr. Vajpayee's government after 2002. He said that he was willing to consume poison. At one stage, he said he would prefer consuming poison rather than ally again with the BJP but he's done that. The DMK at one point said that the biggest mistake they had made was, so all this is just a question of convenience. They realize that the momentum is with Mr. Narendra Modi and therefore they are going to give all the other things a go by. They believe there's greater political gain to be made if they are on the side with Narendra Modi rather than on the side of the Congress at the moment, which right now is facing the fight of its life.
You know, and the decider this election, Javed, at least right now, what seems to be, will be on the basis of allies, won't it?
Yes, in the post-poll election, what you're seeing now is, even if parties don't ally, they're keeping their options open. One reason why the TRS is holding out against a merger is because while it is not totally averse to the idea of an alliance, because a pre-poll alliance would always give them elbow room to move out or strike out on their own after the elections. If they merge, then it becomes all that more difficult for them. They'll have to break away, etc., which is a lot more difficult. Similarly, this is what DMK is also doing. He said all the right things about Mr. Narendra Modi. At the same time, they've ruled it out. Who knows, post-poll, come 15th of May, if the numbers, depending on the numbers, all these parties will position themselves and they want to keep that option of aligning with the NDA if the need arises and an opportunity presents itself open.
Appreciate you joining us, National Affairs Editor Javed Ansari. Of course, the next few days will pretty much decide on whether the UPA or the NDA actually gathers more allies on board. Right now, it does seem favorable towards the NDA. Appreciate you joining us, Javed Ansari.